Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Right now we are on site at one of our employees' places cleaning up a dropped pine tree. And to do this, we brought a Wolfe Ridge 28C, the compact commercial with the attached conveyor package. We're gonna fill this dump trailer up and show you guys how well that conveyor really works and how fast we can get some of this done. All right, we're not gonna get all of this done today, but we're gonna split a bunch of it and give you guys a look at what we're dealing with here. Some of this is going to have to get broken down with something else because it's pretty big. But pine is not the ideal wood to be selling, and it's not the ideal wood to be showing off a log splitter. But obviously, we've got to clean this up. We've got to turn it into firewood, and pine is fine for campfires. So we're going to start up this 28C and get to work. So this was about 7 minutes of splitting this pile here, and I'm going to knock it down some because I don't want the conveyor paddle to grab and try to pull it back. This does have a pressure relief built into it, so it can't destroy itself if it does pull a piece of wood back or if it gets caught up on this pile, but I'd rather just avoid it. So I'm going to knock this over a little bit. We'll make another mound here, and then we'll pull the truck forward. give you guys a look at what's in the trailer here. It's not quite full, but pretty close. I don't remember what size trailer this is either. 14 foot. 7 by 14, I would assume. Okay, 7 by 14 foot trailer. And you can see we were just pulling the trailer forward to get this thing filled up, and we had to hand toss a bunch of stuff here. But most everything that went off the splitter head went up the conveyor and into the trailer. Here you can see all of the kindling and debris and stuff like that that stayed behind. We were resplitting. And there were a couple pieces of firewood that got picked up along the way. But this sorting table shape does a really good job of funneling the wood into that conveyor. And the conveyor paddles do a good job of getting the wood up to the top. So the conveyor controls for this machine are right here. We have our up and down hydraulic, and we have forward and reverse. And to move the conveyor up or down, we got to have this in the neutral position. So we have reverse, neutral, forward, and we've got up and down. There's no speed control, it's just one fixed speed. And like I mentioned earlier, there is a pressure relief in it in case you do lose track of things and the wood gets to the top of the conveyor. Your pile gets to the top of the conveyor and binds things up. So this video wasn't really made to show the power of the compact commercial. It was made to show the capability of this attached conveyor option. And this attached conveyor option is only available on the 28C or the 35C compact commercial. And you can find this on our website. If you go to products, horizontal log splitters, and the compact commercial, you can build and price the exact machine that you want there. In the options, you would select hydraulic outfeed conveyor package. And what that'll give you is it'll give you this conveyor, it'll give you the hydraulic oil cooler, it'll give you a double stack pump, and this different sorting table here. We can't add these conveyors to the existing models because there's some other changes in the frame as well. But as I said, this conveyor package is available on the compact commercial splitters, and it makes a huge difference for getting the wood away from the operator's position. If you'd like more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, including pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, our dealer locator, and more, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.